Various aspects of starting and maintaining a vegetable garden, including planning, soil preparation, planting, care, and harvesting. If you need more detailed information on any specific topic, feel free to ask. 1. Introduction to vegetable gardening. Vegetable gardening is a rewarding hobby that allows you to grow your own fresh produce. It can be a fulfilling way to ensure you have access to healthy, organic vegetables and herbs. Whether you have a small balcony or a large backyard, gardening can be adapted to fit any space. 2. Planning your vegetable garden. 2.1. Choose the right location. Sunlight. Most vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Choose a spot that receives ample sunlight. Accessibility. Ensure your garden is easily accessible for regular maintenance and harvesting. Drainage. Avoid areas where water tends to pool, as good drainage is crucial to prevent root rot and other issues. 2.2. Design your garden layout. Garden beds. Decide between traditional rows, raised beds, or container gardening. Raised beds can improve soil drainage and make gardening easier on your back. Spacing. Plan for adequate spacing between plants to ensure they have room to grow and air circulation to prevent disease. 2.3. Selecting vegetables. Climate. Choose vegetables suited to your climate. Consult local gardening guides or extension services for recommendations. Seasonality. Understand the growing seasons for different vegetables. Some crops are best planted in spring, while others thrive in summer or fall. 3. Soil preparation. 3.1. Testing the soil. pH level. Test your soil's pH to ensure it's in the optimal range, typically 6.0 to 7.0 for most vegetables. Soil test kits are available at garden centers or online. Nutrient levels. Soil tests also reveal nutrient levels. Amend the soil based on test results to ensure it has the right balance of nutrients. 2. Improving soil quality. Organic matter. Incorporate compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil structure and fertility. Organic matter helps retain moisture and provides essential nutrients. Tillage. Loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller. Avoid over-tilling, which can disrupt soil structure and beneficial organisms. 4.1. Timing. Seeds versus transplants. Decide whether to start plants from seeds or purchase transplants. Some vegetables, like tomatoes, are easier to start from transplants, while others, like carrots, are typically direct-seeded. Planting dates. Follow local planting calendars to determine the best planting times for each vegetable. 4.2. Planting techniques. Sowing seeds. Plant seeds at the depth and spacing recommended on the seed packet. Cover lightly with soil and water gently. Transplanting. If using transplants, dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball. Place the plant in the hole and backfill with soil, firming it gently. Garden care. 5.1. Watering frequency. Water plants regularly, especially during dry spells. Most vegetables need about 1 inch of water per week. Method. Water at the base of the plants to avoid wetting the foliage. Here's a comprehensive guide to vegetable gardening. This overview covers various aspects of starting and maintaining a vegetable garden, including
Here are some additional vegetable garden tips. 1. Soil preparation. Test your soil type and pH level. Add organic matter like compost or manure to improve soil structure and fertility. 2. Crop rotation. Rotate vegetables to avoid depleting soil nutrients and to reduce pest and disease buildup. 3. Water wisely. Vegetables need consistent moisture. Water deeply and infrequently to encourage deep root growth. 4. Mulch and compost. Mulch retains moisture and suppresses weeds. Add compost to soil to provide nutrients. 5. Support plants. Provide support for climbing plants like peas, beans, and tomatoes. 6. Keep records. Track planting dates, weather patterns, and harvests to refine your gardening strategy. 7. Learn to identify pests and diseases. Be able to recognize common issues and take action promptly. 8. Grow a mix of vegetables. Plant a variety of vegetables to ensure a continuous harvest. 9. Keep the garden well maintained. Regularly weed, prune, and train plants to promote healthy growth. 10. Enjoy your harvest. Relish the fruits of your labor and share with others.
Timing is crucial when it comes to planting seeds. Here are some tips to help you get it right. 1. Know your frost dates. Find out the average last frost date in your area for spring planting and the first frost date for fall planting. This helps you plan when to start seeds indoors or directly sow them outdoors. 2. Read seed packets. Seed packets often provide guidance on when to plant based on your location. They may suggest starting indoors a certain number of weeks before the last frost date or direct seeding after the last frost.